Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Messenger and selecting the conversation whose theme you want to change. Once done, make sure you've updated the app and that the person's profile picture is visible. Tap the chat header to reveal settings. This is where themes and customization live. If the header shows only a name, tap the info icon or swipe down to expand it. Now you're positioned to edit visual settings. Keep the profile picture in view because you'll reference it for color and contrast choices. Next, tap Theme or Chat Color in the chat settings to open the selection panel. You'll see preset themes and sometimes an option labeled Photo-Based or Custom Color. Choose Photo-Based to derive colors from the profile picture. Messenger analyzes the picture and offers matching palettes. Select the palette that provides good contrast for message bubbles and text. Make sure to preview how emojis and stickers look, since colors affect visibility. Adjust until text is clear and bubbles are distinct against the background. Finally, tap Apply or Save to implement the new theme. The change should propagate to both participants if supported. If the theme doesn't appear immediately, close and reopen Messenger to refresh the UI. Make sure both users run compatible app versions, otherwise the other side may not see photo-derived themes. If colors look wrong, re-upload a higher contrast picture or clear the app cache and retry. As a last resort, reinstalling the app resolves persistent display glitches. This usually fixes stubborn theme update problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.